Now next, it is third unit of industrial technology and management. So let's start. Unit name quality management. So definitions of quality. Quality is a pragmatic system of continual improvement, a way to successfully organize men and machines. The meaning of excellence is called as quality. Quality is the unyielding and continuing effort by everyone in an organization to understand, meet, and exceed the need of its customer. Quality means the best product that you can produce with the materials that you have to work with. Quality means continuous good product which a customer can trust. Quality means producing a product and service that meets the needs and expectation of the customer. Quality means not only satisfying customers but delighting them, innovating and creating. Call a definition of quality from producers and providers view is meeting requirements. Definition of quality from customer view is fitness for purpose. Definition of quality by Cropsey is conformance to requirements, producer's view. Definition of quality by Zuran is fitness for use or purpose. Definition of quality by Taguchi is the minimum loss imparted by the product to society from the time product is shipped. ISO 9000 definition of quality, the totality of characteristics of an entity that bear on its ability to satisfy stated and implied needs. Phase of quality management means question is asked, explain in brief following phases of quality management. So, for no formal approach, no systematic approach, pervading attitude of short-term approach, frequent changes in priority, no results, poor results or unpredictable results, lack of investment in people, technology and infrastructure, lack of teamwork, inflexible working practices, rigid job demarcation, limited view on job expertise, no investment in training, unrecognized individual potential. Reactive approach. Reactive problem-based approach to quality improvement. Lack of plan approach, superficial teamwork, no change in corporate culture, suspicion and skepticism by management and staff, gap in quality improvement process, people understanding of TQM, that is total quality management. Fear of failure in the organization, undue high expectations from ISO 9000 like quality systems. Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagram is known as the father of quality circles for his role in launching Japan's quality movement in 1960s. He recognized that American model of management in which manager manages and worker works cannot be grafted on the Japanese work culture. He suggested a blend of the best from different practices. American flow, line in production techniques, and Japanese practices he fused with traditional European craftsmanship. He initiated the idea of bringing the craftsmanship back to individuals, the groups rather than. He is also known for the fishbone diagram which he developed, which he now bear his name as Ishikawa diagram. This is used very effectively to depict cause and effect relationship, which help in analyzing the problems and to find the solutions for them. First of its quality circles were started in Nippon Telegraph in 1962 and by 1978, 1 million quality circles were in operations. 10 million employees, mostly in manufacturing, were involved in this activity by mid 90s. More than more than more than 2 million quality circles with 20 million employees were active, and they spread into the services sector as well. What is a cause and effect diagram? The cause and effect diagram of or fishbone diagram is a diagram which helps to identify and organize all the potential causes and sub-causes of a given problem or effect. It is visually effect and convincing way of recording the data and make it easy to see the relation between the causes. When to use cause and effect diagram? They are employed to identify the underlying symptoms of a problem or effect as a means of finding the root cause. The structured nature of the method forces the user to consider all the likely causes of problem, not just the obvious ones. By combining brainstorming techniques with graphical analysis, it is also useful in unraveling the convoluted relationships that may in combination drive the problem. The basic cause and effect diagram places the effect at one end. The causes feeding into it are then identified. Why? Brainstorming. By working backwards along the spines, some refer to vertebrae as in the diagram below. See, this is diagram for Ishikawa diagrams. There are 4 stages of making cause and effect diagram. Establish or define the problem. By brainstorming or free exchange of ideas and recording them, attempt to identify major causes. Construct the fishbone skeleton and write the major causes on the branches of this skeleton. Again, brainstorm in a group to understand sub-causes. If a particular cause has very large number of sub-causes, it may be converted to a separate diagram. So here diagram is given of Ishikawa. Materials, room, notebook, wrong working, manpower, shift, late, boss, shift change, boss uncommitted on holiday, missed training program, job change,